What makes MT4 Professional so great is the integration of high-end professional-grade tools like custom timeframes on any chart or fully customizable one-click desktops, workspaces, and symbol lists. Built into the core of MT4 Professional is the Market Scanner. The Market Scanner is a robust scan technology that uses your own trading rules and any other indicator that is available to use. The fully customizable display shows highly intuitive and interactive trade opportunities that are based on your own rules. No programming skills are required. The Market Scanner greatly reduces the time you spend in front of the computer looking for good trade setups. Enhance your technical analysis using multi-time frame charts. Time and price are synchronized between multiple charts, even using multi-time frames workspaces. You can even use custom timeframes based on your rules, not the platform. MT4 Professional is also cloud-based. This means that your custom setup is backed up to the cloud and available to you anytime, anywhere. You won't risk losing any of your valuable settings ever again. You can also take snapshots of your charts and store them in the cloud, then access them on your mobile device or socially share them directly from MT4 Professional. With a fully cloud-based market scanner, you can take it with you anytime, anywhere on your mobile devices, receiving instant notification of all your trade alerts and setups in real time.